So I want to share with you guys a day in the life of a realtor, mom, chauffeur, sports mom, all of the above. So I woke up this morning at 6:15, started to get myself ready, then woke up the kids at 6:30, out the door with one kid at 7:05, out the door with a second kid at 7:30, dropping them off at school, dropped them off at school, got some coffee, got a snack, and headed on my way to see a house for an out-of-state buyer. So today's been one of those days that I have been all over town. I don't usually document my days too much because it's either driving, eating, on the computer, in the car, or something. So all before 11 o'clock today, I drove round trip 150 miles all the way to Moxie, Texas and back and saw a beautiful house. I forgot to take a picture before. So yeah, had some lunch. Well, showed the house, had some lunch, and then drove back home, and then brainstormed with my husband over some ChatGPT stuff that we're working on for videos and content, and then rushed down to get my oldest son ready from school to get here to his baseball game. So now I'm going to sit here in the car, schedule some appointments for my new listing that just went live yesterday, and wait for my youngest son to get here for his baseball practice, go home, eat dinner, start all over tomorrow.